In this tutorial, Part C, you will add highlights, intricate details and textures, and shadows to complete the drawing portion of your still life. Continue to make corrections and refinements as you progress. Here, I am completing the detail on my pot. This tutorial is about refinement. Refinement means completion to the best of your ability. I'll move on to the glass bottle now to capture the highlights. Shiny or smooth surfaces reflect light, causing highlights. To make the bottle appear real, I need to sketch in the highlights as detail. To provide the illusion of form on the succulent, I need to add in places where I see highlight or shadow on the leaves. Though it is the smallest form, the robot is also the most complex. It has design details and highlights due to its shiny surface. The rock would be overwhelming and tedious if I tried to duplicate a copy of it. Remember, your drawing should be a believable representation, not an exact copy. I'm using the rock texture in my reference loosely to produce my own textural lines. The reference here is still important. Do not ignore texture. Lastly, I'll complete the drawing portion of my still life by including the cast shadow on the table. You may also find it helpful to include shadows in other places, such on your cloth or the sides of the large objects. Now that the drawing is complete, I'm going to take an eraser and lightly rub over the entire drawing. This is necessary to make sure that you have light lines. It would be impossible to show light values or light hitting objects from one direction if you have really dark, bold coloring book lines. Don't erase all your hard work entirely. Just lighten the lines. Make ghost lines that are just visible for you. Remember to refer to your reference often. Continue to make corrections and refinements as you go. Include highlights on shiny surfaces. Sketch in intricate designs and texture. Provide lines to indicate shadows. Complete the drawing portion by lightening up your drawing with an eraser. Keep in mind that your realistic drawing is meant to be a believable representation of real life. It is not meant to be an exact copy of your reference.